Have you seen my heart? She has been running around in the crowd. Have you felt that feeling that makes you feel so proud? Have you ever felt like a king but you haven't been crowned? Shouting so loud, but the volume of the sound's turned down. Please tell me, have you seen my heart out there? Could you please tell me if she would still care? Yes. Have you seen my heart somewhere out there? Could you please tell me if she would still care? Yes. Cause I'm sitting here thinking, lifelines blinking, losing what's left on my nerves, calculating where should I go, yeah, but my tracking device doesn't show.
Why you drag me out of the house, sir?
What do you mean by why I drag you out of the house, sir? Me and your big sister.
Me tell us about come
I
out.
you run things or me run things? Which one? I don't understand.
Me tell us about come out for eat. When you all did on my bed.
Anyways, from when I see Nick?
Why you ask me about Nick?
From when I see Nick?
You see him one cuss me out other day about me if you stop be friends with Nick. Why you ask me about Nick now?
Oh boy, from when I see Nick? Answer the question now, brother.
Why you going to worry about your man? Why you worry about Nick for?
My man and my problem, no worry about that. That bigger than you right now. So you're still not answer the question, where is Nick? You're not see Nick from morning.
Well, you see him one tell me if you stop talking to the family, you know. Me are friends with Nick for a long time. And you just come and tell me if you stop be friends with him. And now you can ask about him. You're confused? No, but ask you honestly, you're confused?
So you know when Nick then?
Stop, please. Nick near your house. If you want to find out which part Nick there, go and go look for him. And you see, you're confused?
Alright. You know, I'll go bathroom and come back. Oh, wait.
Go on the bathroom and wash off your face, cause I don't know what I'm doing.
Junior, what going?
Be good.
Everything, Chris?
Yeah.
So you say that way, Junior?
Me there.
How is your sister?
You know, say, he got a bathroom.
In a bathroom. Oh, nice. So, you know, say nobody a come around there since you and your sister attack?
Where me come round there?
I'm talk about it, no man come at the end. No, you're a virgin, you know. You know this, you know. You can talk to me, you know.
Alright, first of all, no. But I know my business what my sister do behind your back. But I say
A man-to-man thing, listen, brother. My mommy can protect you in the streets, you know. I mean, you want my name, you know, man.
that's all it kinda like our threat, you know.
No, if you be threat, I can protect you in the streets. So if anybody if you step to you a certain way, I me have your back.
Right.
Just like how I have your sister, I look out for your sister, I check for your sister. Someone want to know if nothing not go on, isn't me? Someone want to be in a case where should in case you nothing not go on, you can squeeze me, and if you see nothing, you just pinch me.
In other words, you want me to tell you if my sister, they would want next man behind your back.
Me no want you, alright.
Just
But me no want you say it that way. They look when they say it that way, they sound a way still, you see me? But you don't know as a man-to-man link, you see me? Why you just
no way you say playboy. Nobody that my sister don't talk to nobody.
she not talk to nobody.
No.
You sure?
Yes.
You not lie to me, my general.
Alright. Man to man, she not talk to nobody else. But me don't know what she do outside her house still. But if you want me to be your eyes and ears, you know, me will tell you what I'm going on. But
That
me
is it,
personally, I'm not a watchy pumps. Me no watch woman.
Nah, skip.
And what make it worse, I'm a sister. So that weird on top of that. But if you want to be your eyes and ears, me will tell you what I want. But
Yeah.
you have to put a little money in my hand. You have to scratch my hand, me go.
That sound like extortion, my G, man.
Brother, you want information. I basically exchange of information, you know. A legitimate business this. If you want info, you have to put something in my hand.
And this is my bridge, I try extort.
Me just tell you a little bit, say nothing I want in the house. You have to put it in my hand.
Like how much money we are talking about, sir?
Me don't. Alright. Me not gonna beat you, man. If you want to start out, give me a little thing. Me not beat you too much.
Yo, man.
Just scratch
so
my
watch
hand.
now. Yo, I'm mind of deal with it. You hear that?
Yeah, man. No worries, sir.
Right, you see me?
Yeah.
Alright, make sure you know.
You could have never put a little boy party.
No, I'll go on. Alright, that's right. Oh, go on, sir. Just screech up a month, sir.
What do you mean me and speech?
Yo, beg a minute. Here, my boss.
Junior, where you going?
What do you deal with what I deal with? Me go, I have to get that drink.
I move sir, from the other day, my girl.
How me a move?
I like how you move. I hear certain things in the streets and it I'm paranoid because I don't know I check for a certain way to be. I'm not like them things that I hear and I love you, you know. Kim. I love you, you know, Kim.
What me I do? Just talk to me. Come to me straight.
What you do, Kim? Here say you have people that come to your yard, Kim, and you link, you have other man, Kim, I'm not like them
People
things.
come to our yard, our house.
So like them things that I talk about because I work and you know I work hard and I work tirelessly in the hours them Kim I have man I come to my yard and them something them I don't like that come and Kim and cause you know I love you know. You don't even know certain things you know Kim.
But me not do nothing. I just me, you and brother they What kind of information you get? I don't understand.
Kim I want you to know so you know the line of work with me do you know. And you know anything I want to find out I can't find out. I know the right door them for knock and forget whatever information we need to get. Kim, if certain people come and say certain things to me, Kim, evidence them things and
So,
them something that concrete.
You don't trust me then?
Yeah, that.
You're trying to tell me you don't trust me?
Kim, right now I don't know if I trust you still not to be honest enough. Cause I'm in fear right now cause what me hear and the person when me hear it from, nah lie to you, shift up my meds, Kim, you make my ball. Big man, and you know my mother tell me I'm not a ball for woman and you make my ball that day they came. Ball live in your water.
So you bring it out here, so why you never wait until I reach home?
I'm not to bring it out here, Kim. Remember we done talk about this already, but it's just something that every time I see you, I tell him and I tell no lie still no Kim. Every time I see you. It just hurt me.
Listen to me.
Hurt.
I'm not doing anything. This is me and this is you. We are both in this together. What are you talking about?
So, me and you sit down here so right now, man told me. So if I call a name to you right now, it now go affect you, ring a bell now.
You don't need to call a name.
But I have to call a name.
Why you have to call a name?
Do you know one Nick James?
What? What are you talking about?
No, you hear me, the name I say a while ago, you know. Nick James.
I don't know. I can't recall.
Why you can't look me straight in my eyes and tell me this? Look me straight in my eyes and tell me say you don't know Nick James.
Babe, just come after that now. I don't know the person. I don't know nobody by that name.
Kimbo, you can't look in my eye and tell me this. You know see it, you have to look beside me. You can't look me straight in my eye. You don't love me no more. And that you really tell me?
We can't take this further. Home, when I need to discuss all of this on the road. Just trust the process. Just trust me.
Right now the process of behave away, you know, cause see me bring up one name there and I can't get a straight answer about the name.
I don't have a clue by that name.
So that's the people that tell lie on you then.
Most likely.
Jesus Christ. Why, Kim? John or Kim? I want to believe you,
Babe, just look out for that now. Look out for that. What you feel inquire about right now is the fact that me, I walk on the road one day and this long time big man come and rush me. Keep me in a be.
You talk about? Which woman you talk? Who do that? Who do that?
What's your name again? Angel.
Angel?
Yeah.
Angel ramp with you?
Keep me be and push a bush in my mouth. And them things they
Oh, you say them disrespect that? My woman? And my woman she disrespects her?
right out on the
You're
road.
mad man. What you talk about?
And then somebody you fear talk about you and come and bring up
Does,
people.
watch out man. Don't say a word. Angel, you know, some think me have a case I go on for that person. I hear the name there already, you know. I'm not sure who it lock with, you know. But I know me hear the name there already.
I never feel too comfortable about the situation.
Yeah, baby man, I'm sorry. Boy, I never know them something, baby. Never know, man. I'm sorry, no, man. So, sure. I don't want nobody mess with my girlfriend, you know, man. Yo, so, you know, you're alright, though.
Yeah, alright.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm good.
Them something, boy. People don't like to talk about foolish. But man, while me I tell you,
what
just...
you got about the whole situation?
Give me my what me I go do. As soon as I go back to work, my girl, me I tell her I go sort out that man. Angel man, I go deal with the angel man, I go find out who name some man. Cause I don't tell her we're supposed to have something on file for that woman. That name left so ring a bell somewhere along the one line. But we're not sure yet, but we're gonna connect the dots. So, you know man.
So we're gonna go one now, right?
No. What you know, I have to go up on the road because I have a one arm link for make. So as soon as I make that one link there, I come home. But when I can do still, I drop you off. Cause yeah man, I rather drop you home. I know where you walk.
But remember saying me alone and me and my brother?
No wrong man, I don't care to no woman, I want to you man. Get the things man. The things I carry you home baby. Sure. Where brother there? Call him now.
So now you and him did there so all along?
Come now Junior man. Sure. Carry on home, yeah?
Yes, Scully. No, sir. There from money place I look bleaky. You know the thing already. Now when my sister come bail me, man. My sister come bail me out of jail and thing. But brother, I couldn't call her because my phone went dead and it's sitting there. I one phone call I get and them say for call, who for call and my sister number call. Yeah. Everything good, man. My day I go on. What you say? 15 smarty? 10 grand? 150? No, I said that can't work. That can't work for me, boss. No matter what you say right now, that sounds like I want a whole heap of rat to try to dig one hole one now exist. I'm depend that. Yeah, man, try to find somebody else, man. If that's over the case. Yes, sir. Big up yourself and thanks for check me still. I'll delete my number too. What go on, sis? I'm going to shout if I don't say come again and chat to me. How? You have me up? For what? Me heavy, you know, you pop your back.
Heavy, me can't teach you sense, so you know the ropes. Then you know say me come and move your slippers them out highway because them a take up space.
Alright, sister. The day just now run right.
And what happen now?
Nothing now go on. That's a problem. Nothing now happen.
Well, me come to show you how to make something go on.
What you mean?
What you mean? Or what me mean?
Yeah, what you mean?
Oh, bro, you see me? You know me like how me know me. Me, a professional thief. Me a no petty thief. When your teeth small, you're easier to get catch than when your teeth big. Watch out.
What that mean?
What you mean? The majority of things with me thief, me write it down from day one. Some of them me not even get to write down it yet.
So what can I about this?
But a whole heap of things me thief and I write it down yet. Me just I'll show you a few of them. Use your head. Get a book on anything with your thief. On whatever day, you jack it down in a one book. Yes, it makes sense. So the next time when you go thief, you know you want something bigger than that the way you thief that the time there. My book, you know where I'm in there? Look,
The
you
Book
can't
of
read.
Thieves?
Book of Thieves. That means say you have to reel pan the thief in. You have to big in the thief in. You can't be no little small thief. Read it.
Day 1, 6 bikes.
A bike.
Day 2, 4 cars.
You don't know the big yang them. Big Oomba bike. You don't want that.
Day 3, 2 bus. Day 4, 3 bag of rice. Rotten child.
You see some money I make, boy.
You're happy, you're
Money I
happy
make.
for
But
food.
really go on down.
Day 5, 20 bag of chicken.
Chicken and chicken back.
Day 6, 13 bag of chicken back.
Yes.
All of them things where you thief. Where money there?
What do you mean where money there?
You don't get no money.
If me not get them for sell, me name them myself. All the bike and the car. The bright.
My sister come like a joke too.
I
But-
don't know joke thing. Then if you have something and you dey sell it and you can't sell, where you go do? Make use of it yourself. What me fi do dash away? Me nah go dash away. Me drive the car myself. Me ride the bike myself. The chicken and the chicken back and the rice if you can't sell, me cooking and near me and my friend them. How do you? What you mean? You think a joke thing this?
Alright, so right now, come on, you tell me say you want to start out one little thing which day there. So, all of them things that accomplished already, are you want
No,
to
I
do?
have pen on my diary, you know, when me jot down my things them like a joke thing, you know. A serious thing this, you know.
Me mean say if you start them out already.
What you mean?
You did it already?
Them I must have them when I write them down for like a fool. You have to take them way first. Thief them first and then you write it down in a one book. So
Then-
you remember, say you went thief that and you get away and don't get catch. Because not everything you thief you go remember. Because you see through me a professional thief, a whole heap of things me thief, me now go remember some of them. So because me want to remember all of them. Everything when me thief me want to remember. Me write it down. I just feel little something me not write down yet and then there one place touch off. Which me write the day them already, me just not write the item beside it. You can see. Yeah. So when you're the thief, man, be smart. You have to be clever, wise. You know? Think positive and focus. You're a thief and make police lock you up for your pint back lines on little foolishness like a stacky. You idiot?
Because right now, one brother just called me from my phone.
So what?
Hear the man that tell me say, him have one little work to go start out. But my people $10,000. And a 15.
I wish boy that.
A 15 away upon the work. So, a 10,000 a man.
No man.
So basically,
Don't go panic.
that sound like some setup
No
business.
money, no did they so $10,000 no nothing. 15.
I see
a
him
uno.
say,
Depend on one little job. When one or two somebody could have go and go mash it down and then the money split in two, not go nowhere.
Nothing me I go
No
now.
mind chopper, set him and set you up.
That's one I set up to
The
me.
minute me have to come bail you, I want to you.
I don't like them something else still. But at the end of the day still, right now, me I look something for do an idea. So you have an idea? How can I do an idea? Because idea bleak, you know. People like them business place them time.
Me I wonder if things them when me have either on that place where me not write down yet. If me can give you one of the items them, go see if you can make a money on you get a thing. Instead of going on that they deal there with them at about 15 person and 10 grand. You mad?
Alright, so we're going to make it work.
My youth, tell us something.
No,
Let
me
me tell you
accept it.
something. Let me tell you something tapping eyes. Because you always do wrong thing, you know. Yes, when me thief, me not take it for myself, you know. But me not make nobody know.
Oh, you sure?
Me rob the rich people them and go give poor people them. Then can send them youth to school, pay them bills, buy them picnic school book, and then something and buy food for eat. Yeah man, me help out the people them in that area, but I show me and you alone a brother and sister. We no cousin, nor no mother or father. We are brother and sister. Make me they tell you, because I trust you if you tell you my business. You have to help out the poorer class of people them. You know, see you tax them high.
Tax them go high, man.
And they
But
no
sister-
business, you know, fear for rich people and poor people are pay the same amount of tax. A wickedness.
Sister, right now, one thing I want to tell you.
So we have to rob them.
That's true, but right now, me empty, you know. And you sound like you give out to people and me not get none. Because you not come check me.
You know, me fi come check you.
What you mean you not come?
No,
Me don't know what
man.
you do.
Are you fi come check me, man? Are you fi link
no,
me?
time I come over here, I'm going to see your sister. What you
Are
talking
you
about?
broke and are you hungry?
Yeah,
It is
but
not
me come in your yard, come check you, me call up on your phone, me can. Right now, I'm glad to see you.
No, if me busy, you know, I'm there on a mission, you know. And you call me can't answer no phone, you know. Because I try to complete the mission, you know, to move and take with myself from that area then. Me nah no time to answer no phone. But me can link here now. As me tell you, say, me can give you one of the things them when me start off. You go make a money pan it.
Today?
What you mean?
Alright,
You
go
make
for
a money pan it. And you give me a thing and fight. Y'all can take the most side still. Because to me have, you know, me have some money put on one place still. But to want that to do something.
Yeah, money put on one place.
Me nah go give you none of that. Me I give you something to go sell and you make a money, take it more side and give me rest.
Alright.
Alright.
So you what you do? Walk back because I run some muddy. You understand? Because when rain fall right there, so I have one per mud. I don't want you to slide and hurt yourself. Yeah?
Alright.
So look come on. Come here, come go in and arena. Take your time and come in. Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright.
Later.
Yes, I know.
So, oh, you know, so you're so, I don't understand.
You mean by how I know, say? So them in a police officer. I want to get all information, man. Right, yes, I'm going to get it. And information concrete.
So you want me to come with there or you alone, we go?
You can forward, man. But you have to go do this right away.
You really want me to come with there?
Yeah, man, you can come or you can stay in the car, whichever one you choose. But me I go deal with this like a man. Wait, this is a woman I look for. Eh? I say you there? Hello, I'm talking to you, you know. Are you come to you?
Don't touch me.
What do you mean by don't touch you?
How you do assault me? You think that you have police afraid of you? You act like me wrong, do I want me?
You know, say, my woman tell me what go on. Kim come tell me say you assault her, you know. You beat her up, you know. I'm gonna make you know this, you know, you're not bigger than this liar, you know.
Kim
and
not
this
tell her
liar
what
gonna
she
show
do.
you a thing, you know.
Kim not tell her what she do.
Tell you what she do.
Okay, so true. Kim are you what? Are you girl or your sister or you what? Me no care, could have even your
No
mama.
matter how
Kim
she
not
want be. Look here now. You disrespect me, you know. And you disrespect my woman. And you gotta pay the consequences. And you
So
gotta suffer the
your
consequences
woman not
them
tell
for this.
you say she attack me.
Which
you
man
come
she
to
attack
me.
you?
Wait a
Right
minute,
now
you
she
there?
feel pain.
Which part
because
she
of you,
feel
you know.
pain? So me I feel pain. Me I feel pain. If
Hey.
she a feel pain, me I feel pain too.
Hey, lady, no,
Leave me alone.
what you talk about? What you do? Hey, woman, no. Hey.
happened to you? Nick is not here. What happened? What happened?
Dirty police boy, they come fight me off in a shortcut when me a come. How me kicking woman in a body and he come fight me, hold me down and a bare licky boy a lick me. He lick me go so and he lick me come back so, left and right. Me couldn't even get fist him in his face because the boy big and thick and come like one big old rusty dirty cow. The boy hold me down and a bare lick him and lick me.
Why you fight you?
He fight me. The dirty police boy was saying him Chaz Brown down a police station the way they walk and I look every girl and I go on like he and no girl personally for him personal woman. He man want like a dirty butterfoot girl there. The girl pass and I can style me and uno. Oh, me and my brother and my sister them thief and we are this and we are that. So to me beat up the girl. The girl go report to him.
So hold on there. If Chaz fight you.
Chaz fight me, I come look for Nick round here. And when me catch in a shortcut out, they say, and I know say boy hold me down and lick me, not tap lick me.
Report him.
Me not report him, you know.
Me say report him.
Me have to frig him up back, man.
He not supposed to lick you.
Come tell me how me beat up in woman.
So you couldn't record him.
The way boy a lick me from left to right, me not even remember say me a phone, me not have no time for things say. Me feel record the idiot. He hold me down on the ground in the grass. Me couldn't even move, all me they allowed.
Jesus God.
And he fist me in my face.
Go on, doctor. Let me follow you, go, doctor.
Right now, a difference in me and Pre-Con, me have to mash him up. And anyway, me catch him little dirty, stinking butterfoot, rusty face girl, me a bust up in head.
Then I see me going to beat you up, then I hold on. Hold on.
Sister, no, say me have one plan, no. Me have one plan for you dirty boy, because me nah make it go so. You know, say me a bad girl for a long time. Then if me a thief and not get catch, me no must can do him sitting and don't get catch same way. Make it how we plan for you.
Me and you for plan for you?
Yes.
You're a thief and I get catch. You're not a thief.
Me not a thief. The whole of we a thief and they know say.
And the whole of we come here not thief.
You better learn to thief. That's why you are dead for hungry down here. Oh, that's why you have to call me for money every time. It's so much time. Where you think me get the money them when me get? Where you think me get them from? Thief things and sell you and carry money come give you. Because I don't want to no suffer on my family. Me I tell you.
Stop give me your money. I don't want my money from you. But me not agree for the dirty nasty boy if he come beat you up. What kind of plan you have for him? Because anything you have planned for him, me not it.
When you act like I say you want him. Act like you want him. Me I go set up somebody for somebody show him you. But you know if you act like me and you related, because you don't know we. You don't know all the way.
He know somehow.
He don't know nothing about you. He know my brother. He know my next sister. And my next other brother where we have round the road. He know them, he don't know you. Because you recently come in that area. Me go set up somebody. Me then go talk to him. And show him you. But you act like you don't know where I go down. Make him come put argument to you. First if you act like you know you nothing with him. At the end of the day you don't want him, you know. Then you start drawing to him like you want him. Me and you have to fight him back real hard. We are going to beat him up and make we poison him.
Jesus Christ, look how far you gone.
I want poison him. Sis, I don't want licking give me no, and I don't two, you know. And I don't three, you know. Just to me beat up in little dirty foot woman we are style with family. My mother tell we say, remember when I did smaller and tell we. So we know if we make nobody
you
style
want a repentance grown, but he deserve for dead for true.
No, God, no, God, no repentance.
And then you can't go repent.
Before time, because I go
if I really lick you, the dirty boy that
you
lick
not seeing so up my face.
Me have to lick him back.
Me can't take this man. He lean me. Me say when the boy box me so, and he lick me so, and he carry me job on gun way around there. So me nah make it go so. He say make me your poison him. Me have one plan for him. Him and he woman, you know. You know what I say? When the plan for bust up in one face, you know.
So we are the woman.
And then the woman see me a roadside. I pick some seriously and pass and they steer upon me one kind of way. And then when me ask him, say, where you look for me so far? The girl start styling all away. Oh, I know we and the whole we are thief and we are dirty this and dirty that, and so me beat up a girl. So the girl now go tell him and show him a police if he say I'm a bad man. Meet me pathway, beat me off properly, and feel say it all go so well. You see if you not help me, sis, me alone will deal with him. Yeah. I rather go there with a bad man figure for him, but he nah get away with it.
No man, me nobody go there with no bad man. Too much bad. Everything you have to do bad. Everything you have to think about bad. Bad man, we kill you.
Me dead already. I am a walking dead, but me not making get away with it.
We help you. I can help you out.
Yes, act like you want him.
Me go act like more. But
Can
I'm
you
a
put him-
poison me no.
No man, me pies the drunk crow. You just give him beer liquor, knock him out, and then me pies him in
But the business what you want to do with him after.
Yes.
But the only thing when you do is beat him up back.
That's also no.
Beat him up back.
Me a pies him, make him dead, cause he know he do no more woman so again. Before the boy see me and come ask me when me and him girl have, the boy just start beat me so. Sissy no
kick
figure
you?
so. He kick me, he lick me, he do me all kind of sitting. I mean, I like when people lick me, he can't get away with it.
No man, you don't forget already. Our father never beat you from Barnet, man. So a man fi come a beat you up. No
You
man
see,
never
any
beat
woman,
you, know.
me did a sorry for woman, you know, because one time my woman have to come tell him, say, fi let me go, you know, and my knee hurt me, fi go to prison, you know, and I woman, they dry him off of me, you know, and I see him, girl, carry me name to him, make him come fight me, and I do it off a standard style, like I say, I help him out. You see, one time I see him watching me and him. Sis, me not
That friend him up.
Me not no longer, you know, cause right now, me hear that, me say, any one of them first, me catch you, we see. I'm gone, me think Nick did there. Me think Nick did there.
So what you did do? Comfort your love one time your brother got jail.
Me bail him.
And that's all your things that happen.
And my brother, me bail him.
So hold on there. Nick not have family.
Yeah, you have family, but sometimes I know every family you must know your business. Because then say when I sink you.
So Nick not have in picnic. I never feel picnic.
No, I feel picnic, but the girl run with gun with the gun foreign. So Nick not no problem, I know more than he ever hungry, ever broke, ever want money, thief and get catch, and me bail him after.
So you think so them the style they are not good
I
style?
don't know good style because he not listen to me. I don't learn for thief the right way, and that's why I get catch.
You know for top thief.
You know, say thief, when they kneel up God upon the cross, you know, see one thief side of him. You know what I say, I agree.
A two thief did the business. Turn up and listen what me I say. A two thief
Right, you
did
know,
the...
a different thing you talk about, and
Girl.
you want me to go for you, boy.
A two thief did the beside him. Let me tell you if you never know. One on the left,
And
one
one
on
for
the
the
right.
right, me know.
And guess what happened? One get forgiveness.
He got
But
the
the other one
forgiveness.
did two presumptuous.
No, man, me not presumptuous. God will forgive me because boy, they too bright.
That's why you fit a thief. And be the thief where God did forgive. Every day you just get up a thief, so.
Me not say
I make you like a style all me. When I involve in a thief in galangin.
sis, me a come go here now because me not say me not go tap thief, you know, but I don't know. That me I tell you.
When time then catch you trying to not call me.
They not catch me.
You hear the only
Yep.
thing me I gotta do, I help you beat up at the police boy because him deserve to get beat. I'm in a hit with you.
Yes,
You
smaller brother,
understand?
if you think about we can't thief and I get catch. Me I worry about me a
Smaller
professional
brother.
thief. Me a Nick, a real thief.
Go along, me and a real jacket. When I jacket for
We
true.
cut to fit though.
My pa never thief, my man never thief. No one get for no thiefing attitude from. No one get it from.
From my great grandma.
Mighty God.
Yo, Wagwan. See me see a car out there saying no bridge. You know if I win man I call him man.
Sorry about that. You want to know, say, I threw the phone up on silent.
Oh, you can put your phone on silent, bridging. Businessman, you know, man.
I mean, I threw me out from here, and you know, say, my dear mom's phone have it up on silent, so I didn't remember to take off. But you know what?
Yeah.
You just say your plan, I work out perfect.
For real?
Cause you're a boy.
Yeah.
I beat up people, you know, so you look like you soon can't take team position or place.
For real? Oh, yeah, say, man, a good news that, man. For real? You see that quick plan and work out my youth? You know what I do? Just done, you know, man. Put a tree in that the head, you know. Just done. Yo, how we are, say, man?
Alright, here I go on.
Eh?
Here I go on. I'm gonna be honest with you and tell you the truth.
Yeah.
Me's a messenger, me's not a killer. And me never sign up for this, so. Sorry, you're on your own pan down here.
No, man, all of that me a deal, man. Just work out.
No man, you have to go figure out that part there. Here, look more. Here,
So,
later.
so
Every day the same thing. You pay bills in here? What your problem?
What is your problem?
Me
You
need
see how time at I come to that for the time it.
Me need to talk to you. Get up.
So why you have to turn off the fan? You know, she said time out.
You have the fan on. Oh, you got hear what me I say. Get up now, brother.
No problem.
Me need you to go up on the road go pay some bills.
So why you do it?
Ask me. I want a bigger one. Me need you to go up on the road go pay some bills.
So
but
why-
by the time I'm a month, I'm not go up on the road. So you must decide what you want. Is either you burn up in the house, because you love use fun. So make up your mind.
So why not just ask Chaz? What Chaz I do?
Just gonna work. You don't know that, brother. You go for the money. So you know say you have to go.
Alright, how much bills you have to pay?
You know say light, water, internet, plus the gas are done. So you know that.
So you have to carry gas tank for me back?
Listen to me. Me I can go for the money. Argument done.
Alright, but you have to give me a piece of money for myself.
Avoid.
But you have to tell me if you have buying there, you want me just.
Junior.
Clover.
So, I try to call the phone, General, I can't find him, I can't get through to you. What, things change or so? Me a virgin, you know.
Yeah, brother, but a lot of things are going on with me right now from when my sister I take me out to her house.
I mean, sister, take it out, what you talking about?
Like even other day we go on at some restaurant. Even right now she send me for an errand if we go and pay some bills.
You sure? Because I guess from the last time when the police went hold me and things, I see from that. I mean, I said to myself, I wonder if that traumatized everything and you feel like some boy.
I'm not worried about that. You already know some. Me know say police are idiot.
Alright, so what am I gonna access is still? Where your sister there? Sister there?
Yes, she up right now.
So, no, I don't want to see her if you want to talk with her because it's been a while, you know, when I chat about certain things.
We want to talk to my sister. What do you mean? You know, let me calm down for a second. Why you want to talk to my sister?
I want to reason with her because some stuff I go down where I want to understand where it come from.
Why?
Bro, me and a friend, you have to go on so aggressive and I think, things the boy you have to. You know what I mean?
Yeah, but if other day she asked me about you, so me want to know if so go on.
But me and she know nothing because I tell her from point blank say, it's a code where if your virgin having sister, you and her can't involve.
So what that mean?
That means that me not involved with her.
What that mean?
That means that me and she not joke. That me I talk about.
Right now me I get flustered and confused.
But why you going to bro? Me a virgin now, my lad. Me don't understand why you take things on a level like a king. You are going now. Since I say you want to take it, me I bring you so then. See? You see for your sister, carry man come up on my sister yard and come beat her up. And that me I talk about. Where she there? Me want understand why she do them things here. You know, and please tell me say you don't have nothing to do with it.
Alright. First of all,
You ain't did it?
me never did that. Second, whatever go on with my sister and for your sister, are because my sister tell me say your sister fight her and put bush now. Me tell
My sister don't fight nobody. My sister don't stay so.
well, my sister want liar.
So alright. So alright, sister,
Alright,
business.
listen to me for 1 second now.
Yo, brother, yo, let me tell you this, man. You see, oh, you flex right now. You know something, and you can't be your father for your sister. You know she's there. She a troublemaker. Your sister come down on me yard, I come hug me up like say me and she and things, and I come tell me about say like babe, I call me babe and all these things. See? So me I say to myself, say why is that?
Alright. And you come to me and I tell me say you want to see my sister. Brother, to be honest, me now make it to my sister because me don't want you to see my sister and you have a plan for my sister. Even though me and your friend, me don't want you to see my sister.
But see your sister, yeah?
I walk one, sir. Why you stand up here, so look how long I send you out, brother.
You just send me out the house.
Junior, a long time I send you out here, come here, so come stand up and talk to Nick.
Just go and do your thing, bro. Me go talk to your sister for 1 second, cause there are some things I have to reason with her about. You know, trust me, brother. Me a friend for a long time, you know, bro.
Why you want to talk to me?
I need to have a conversation with you, a serious conversation. I don't know, joke business. You understand
Junior,
what I
just
say?
go and go do what you do and hurry up and come back.
Alright, here we go now. It's a situation where my sister a complaint say you bring police come beat her up. Is that true, ma'am? So, me
Hold
I get to
on.
understand.
Yes, sir.
What me I say, you know, you me I say, you always stubborn and that I think I don't like with you. Because, you know, every time I try to explain something to you, you don't get it. But listen to me I say now. Why you bring man, or did you bring police come over my yard, my sister yard, to beat her up?
Yeah.
You bring police come over my sister yard,
Me bring police up there.
and you're proud of it.
Then your sister are gonna push bush in my mouth.
My sister not push no bush in her mouth. She said she not push no bush in her mouth. So you're proud of that then, right?
Of course me proud.
You're
What
proud
you
of
mean if me not proud?
So that's how you take things now? That a go on? Eh?
Your sister put bush in my mouth, brother.
She don't do that, man. She not gonna do that.
See,
My
you
sister
call
is not
me
like
a
that.
liar. You
Of
call
course,
me
me
a
have to call
liar.
you a liar. My sister not a liar. And my sister not gonna tell me say she not push bush
Me
in
a
her
walk
mouth.
and go about my business.
Yeah, what about your business? You troublesome woman. I know you love trouble people.
Nick,
Eh?
you know the best thing I did? Just move from my gate, brother.
If you
Just
move
move
from-
from my gate.
I mean, if you move from your gate, what you talk about? Kim, how make you step to me like that, Kim?
Brother, I'm done with you now. I'm done with you for good. Done with you for good.
But,
Just move from my
But there was
gate.
nothing like done be done this. We were just brethren and friends. Somebody understand where you come stick me up like say boy, and there was something more to it.
Yeah, accuse me of saying me a tell a
So
lie.
you say you bring man come on me yard. Which man you bring come on me yard? My sister yard. I keep on saying my
One
yard.
policeman.
One policeman. You hear me go do? Me go left in your yard. You hear Kim? And me go left it right there, so. So anyway, Marga, they say Papa.
And you make it reach us, you know?
Me?
You make it reach us, but just left and come out of my place. Love and hate have a thin line. Right now, just move out of my place, now, brother. She don't even know. She not even know what you do, you know. Just
So
come out of my place.
A violence you bring to me, Kim?
Come out of my place, now, brother.